Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. So, we have started with our literature lesson, Adventure in Woods. Yes or no? We all know that this is story of two friends, Mukul and Tony, right? So, I told you the meaning of adventure. Adventure means something which is not planned and which is very exciting to do. Okay, so the name of the lesson itself is Adventure in the Woods, where it is told that there is some adventure or some exciting thing happening in the woods. Okay, in the woods, what is the meaning of woods? It means where the trees are there. Okay, so I will just quickly go through the paragraph which we have discussed already. Mukul and Tony lived in the beautiful hillside town of Kantar. So I told you that Kantar is the name of the place, okay, where Mukul and Tony lived. On the edge of the town was a thick forest where many animals lived. So there at the edge of the towns there was a thick forest. Okay, and in this thick forest many animals lived. Every evening, what Mukul and Tony liked to do, they would go to play with their friends in the field near the woods. Yes, everybody has understood till here. If you remember, we have discussed this in our GMeet. Okay. They greatly enjoyed themselves running in the green field. Just like you and me like to play in the green field, even Mukul and Tony, they loved to play in the green field. Right? And what they used to do along with that? Throw stones into the brook and shout back to the chirping sparrows. So here you can see the meaning of chirping is making short, sharp, and high pitched sounds. Okay, so if some bird is shouting at you, and what you do early in the morning and late in the evenings, this mostly happens that when they shout at us, we shout back to them. So Mukul and Tony also loved it, and they used to shout back to this chirping sparrows. And along with this, throw stones into the brook. Now, what do you mean by brook? Brook is the small stream, that is the small place from which the water flows. Alright, one evening the two friends were so busy at play that they didn't notice it was getting dark. So they were busy in playing. Okay, many a times it happens with us also that mother tells us ki come back home by 7 o'clock, but we are so busy in playing that when we are still down in the society, till your mother calls you back again, that may be by 7:30, by 8 o'clock. Okay, same way these two friends were so busy in playing that they didn't notice it was getting dark. It was getting dark means, yes, the time was going towards the night. Okay, थोड़ी ही देर में वहां पे क्या होने वाला था, अंधेरा होने वाला था. They had run too far from the town towards the woods. तो what happened, both were playing with their friends and खेलते खेलते वो टाउन के बहुत ज़्यादा आगे निकल गए. ठीक है, they came far away from the town towards the woods. So वो कहाँ चले गए, woods में चले गए. trees जहाँ पे हैं, woods का meaning क्या है, नीचे देख सकते हो आप लोग, an area of land covered with trees. So here you will find an area of land that is covered with trees is called as woods. Okay. All other children had gone home. Mukul and Tony were lost in the woods. So what happened this time? All other children had gone home. They were all aware that it is going to be dark now, let's go home. But Mukul and Tony, they didn't pay attention and they were lost in the woods. Okay. The boys knew there were wild animals in the woods. They held each other's hand and walked in terror. So both the boys knew that woods हैं तो अंदर wild animals भी होने वाले हैं. They knew that there will be wild animals. So what they did, they held each other's hand and walked in terror. Terror का मतलब क्या है? डर के. दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा डर गए थे क्योंकि वहाँ पे wild animals होने वाले थे अंदर. Okay? So till here we have discussed already, children. I hope you all have done the reading part of this. I'm sure you all must have done it. Yes or no? I had told you to read the lesson, and every day, children, you are going to read the lesson. Okay? Now, next, let's see what happens in the story next. So, what happened next? Tony said, children, before starting explaining this, everybody of you get your literature textbooks and sit with your textbook. Okay, and just listen to me because it will be useful for you all then. Okay. So Tony said, we can't hope to get home tonight. So Tony was very, very afraid. And he said that now we can't go back, okay, to home. Let's climb a tree and spend the night there. So he gave idea to Mukul that now going home back it's very, very difficult because it was getting very, very dark. And both of them were into the terror. बहुत ज़्यादा दोनों डर गए थे. तो Tony said that we can't hope to get home tonight. Let's climb a tree and spend the night there. Okay, let's climb a tree and spend the night there. मतलब tree के ऊपर हम चढ़ जाते हैं and full night we will stay there. Okay. Mukul agreed and soon they were sitting on a thick branch of tree. What does this mean? Mukul also said to Tony that yes, Tony, you are absolutely right. Okay. And what we will do now? We will climb the tree and sit on a thick branch of tree. Okay. So till here everybody is clear? Let's pray to God that the elves and fairies of the woods protect us, said Mukul. Okay. Now, what did Mukul say? What did Mukul say to Tony? Elves. Who are elves? Elves is the little creature with human form and pointed ears in children's stories. Okay, so these are the elves who just looks little bit similar to the human beings, and they just have a pointed ear. Okay, and so they said that let's pray to God that elves and fairies, everybody know fairy tales, fairies. So they were saying that let's pray to God that the fairies and elves will come and save us, protect us from the wild animals. They were very, very afraid of wild animals. Okay, clear till here? Now, the boys soon dozed off. What do you mean by dozed off? Everybody has textbook. Just check what is the meaning of dozed off. It means fell asleep. Okay, they were tired because they were playing since evening, na? So the boys soon dozed off. They fell asleep. Late in the night, they were awakened by loud noises. So after some time, late in the night, what happened? They were awakened by loud noise. Awakened means, yes, awakened means both of them got up and they were looking here and there because there were lot of loud noises there. Loud noise of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. So they were hearing lots of noises, okay, noises of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. That means some of the people were also talking, and they were making noise of the metals also. Okay. So in this way, they heard lots of loud noises. Okay. So Mukul, we are saved. It must be mum and dad with the police. Let's get down. So Tony, as Tony was very very excited, he said that as we have not gone home, it must be our mum and dad with the police. Okay, let's get down. He was very very excited to go home. Okay. As they approached the source of the sound, they found it was not their parents. But these two boys, they were very, very intelligent. They did not get down. As they people started coming near to this tree where Mukul and Tony they were climbing and sitting, they found that it was not their parents, but men carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and a bag of other tools. So later on, they found that it was not their parents, but there were some people who were carrying axes. Okay, axes are the things with the help of which we cut down the various things. Axes, saws, lanterns. Okay, so lantern is through which we can see. जो light है ना, here you can see in this picture, uh, this point where my pointer is there, this is lantern. Okay, this is what is lantern, which we use in the night to see the things properly. उसको lantern बोलते हैं. X का मतलब होता है ये जिससे हम कट करते हैं, और ये बैग है जहाँ पे all other materials were kept. Okay, so uh, let's see the next part. But men carrying lanterns, axes, saw, and a bag of other tools. They were arguing about which trees they should cut. Okay, so now what these people were discussing? They were discussing, arguing मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ वो argue कर रहे थे, बात कर रहे थे, saying that which tree they should cut now. ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें डिस्कशन नीचे चल रही थी, एंड मुकुल एंड टोनी वर लिसनिंग इट फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी डाउट, you can put it in the comment box. Are you clear children till here? All right, next. Okay, Tony and Mukul were shocked to see this. Tony and Mukul, they were observing what these people are talking, why they are carrying the lanterns with them, why they are holding this axe. But when they heard that these people were planning to cut down the trees, okay, and then they were shocked to see this. They knew how dangerous it was to cut the trees. So both of them, they were, as I told you, they were very, very intelligent. They remembered what they had learnt about deforestation and climate change from their books. So these children, Mukul and Tony, were intelligent like you all. जो टीचर्स सिखाते हैं, जो टीचर्स बताते हैं, वो इन दोनों को बहुत अच्छे से याद था. ओके, तो दे रिमेम्बर्ड, उनको याद आया कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन के बारे में और क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में टीचर ने हमें क्या बताया था. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिफॉरेस्टेशन चिल्ड्रन? Destruction of forest by cutting the trees. ओके, बहुत लोग ये करते हैं, unnecessary cut down the trees and destroy the forest. And what do you mean by climate change? Change of weather pattern in a place. Okay, change of weather pattern in a place. So they had learned about it in their classes through their teacher. So they remembered that deforestation is not good. Okay. So, Mukul, we can't allow this. We must stop them, Tony said. So, both of them were, as I told you, they were very, very good children. They thought that it is not good that these people are carrying all this eggs, lanterns, and everything, and they are planning to cut down the trees. So, what Tony said to Mukul? Mukul, we can't allow this. We must stop them. Okay. So wait, they look so dangerous. Mukul was observing everything very carefully. So what Mukul said, wait, they look so dangerous. Let's see what they are up to, said Mukul. So what did Mukul said? Ki wait, don't be in a hurry. Let us first see what they all are doing and then we will decide what to do. Okay. So the boys hid behind a bush and observed the men. They planned that they will not go and talk to them immediately, but hide behind a bush and observe the men. Okay, so they were hiding, as you can see in the picture. Now they had huddled together to discuss something. So here it was told that these people, you can see it in the picture, that they had huddled together means they have come together and वो एक जगह पे बैठे थे और कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे थे. We can see that somebody is telling to other what to do. Okay, finger point out karke. So in this way they were observing all the situation that is happening. Did you all understand, children, till here? Do you have any doubt? It simple story? Yes, children, is it simple? So once I'm going to revise the complete story from starting till now. ओके और आप सबको क्या करना है? यू विल रीड द लेसन और जैसे मैंने आपको स्टोरी बताया है आपको जाके अपने मम्मी पापा को ये स्टोरी बताना है. ठीक है? ओनली टिल पेज नंबर 49, 48 एंड 49 दो ही पेजेस बताने हैं पेरेंट्स को. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. Adventure in the Woods. So, Adventure in the Woods is the story related to Mukul and Tony. Okay, these two were best friends. And where they lived? They lived in the beautiful hillside town of Kantar. On the edge of the town was a thick forest जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा animals रहते थे. Okay, every evening Mukul and Tony liked to play there. They would go and play there with their friends. They greatly enjoyed themselves running in the green field. वो बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करते थे. Stones फेंकते थे कहाँ पे? Brook में. And they were shouting back to the chirping sparrows. तो ये सब करना मुकुल और टोनी को बहुत पसंद था. That day, one day evening, what happened? They were busy playing that they didn't recognize the time that is happening, and they had come away from the woods, away from the town towards the woods. So the boys were very very frightened. बहुत ज़्यादा वो डर गए थे. They were into terror because they knew that there are wild animals in the woods. Okay. So now they were lost in the forest. So Tony and Mukul decided. Tony said to Mukul that we will not go home now, but we will climb up a tree and spend a night there. Okay, so Mukul agreed, and both of them were sitting on a thick branch. And they were playing that the elves and the fairies will protect them from the wild animals. So they fell asleep. Okay, dozed off means they fell asleep. And later on, after some time, they were awakened by the loud noises of metals. Okay, and people's voices. Everything was mixed, and he was able to, they were able to hear it. Mukul, we are saved. It must be mom and dad with the police. So Tony was very very excited to listen these sound voices. He thought that it is mom and dad, they have come to save us. Okay. As they approached the source of the sound, they found it was not their parents, but men carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and a bag of other tools. Okay, they were sitting in a place and they were having some discussion about which plant to cut. Okay, they were very very shocked to see this, what these people are doing, and they knew that they were having all these axes and all, and they are very very dangerous. And they came to cut the trees, but both of them were very intelligent. They knew what their teachers had taught them कि deforestation अच्छा नहीं होता है, trees को काटना अच्छा नहीं होता है. So they knew that. So मुकुल, we can't allow this. Tony said to मुकुल कि हमें ये allow नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि trees को cut करेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा destruction होगा. Okay. So मुकुल, we can't allow this, we must stop them. So Tony said to Mukul. So Mukul said, wait, don't get hyper. Let's not go and talk to them. वो बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous लोग हैं. So let us first observe what they are doing, and then we will go and talk to them. So boys hide behind the bush and observe the men. Okay. So now till here the story is clear, children. So now what we are going to do? Now I have told you the complete story till here. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions and I want you to write the answers in the comment box. Okay. So, uh, what is the name of what was the name of the two friends? Yes, children. Can you type it in the comment box so that I will come to know that you have understood or no? What was the name of the two friends? Very good. Mukul and Tony. Yes. And at which place they lived? What was the name of that place which is near the town? Something starting from K. Yes. Very good, children. All of you are giving correct answers. What was the name of the place? It is Kantar. Right. Okay, now last question. What do you mean by dozed off? Dozed off. What do you mean by dozed off, children? Yes, fell asleep. Okay. So, children, similar type of questions, you will get it in the Google form in your Google Classroom. Solve it, submit it. I want everyone to solve the Google form which is there. Okay. And read the lesson, page number 48 and 49. And remaining part we will take in our next class. Okay, children. So we'll stop here for today and we'll meet in our next class. Bye bye, children. Take care.